Welcome to Do Prime's tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to deposit funds using a credit card in your client area. Start by navigating to the Funds tab on the left-hand side of your menu. In the Deposit Funds section, you'll see a range of payment options. Select Credit Card, which is marked with logos like Visa, MasterCard, etc. Then, click Continue to proceed. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and click Continue to review and confirm your transaction details. Here, you'll double-check the payment method, the deposit amount, and the wallet number where the funds will be credited. Once you've confirmed your details, the payment page will open. Here, confirm that credit card is selected as your payment method. Now, enter the following details: your email address, card number, expiry date, CVC number, name as it appears on your card, your country, and your phone number. Once everything is entered correctly, click Pay to complete the transaction. And that's it! You've successfully deposited funds into your Do Prime account. Thank you for watching. Feel free to explore your client area to discover more features.